Hey guys, my name is Ritu Sachdev. Today here in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how we can create a complete responsive website in WordPress. And the most important functionality of this website will be that it will be a complete e-commerce website so that it will also allow you to sell your products online. Before going into action, I want to preview the website which we are going to create in this tutorial. This is a website based on some beauty products. Here we have few services related to hair color, spa, straightening, and here we have the shop page which will also allow you to sell our products online. So here's the home page. First I will show you how we can customize and have this slider on the home page. We will also play a lot with this featured box appearing on the slider, and here on the right sidebar you can see I have a products which I am going to sell on the shop page. These are the products on the shop page. Now these are the various pages again on the right sidebar, and this is the search box, and I will show you how we can hide the copyright information about this theme and have your own name here. And in the about us you can see I have some media item and again right sidebar, and in this services I have few more pages related to the services, hair color, spa. I will show you how you can create this sub pages under the services. This is the contact information. It's a contact form so that anybody can fill up this form and that will be sent to us in our email. Here's the main functionality, shop. So if I will buy anything, like suppose I want to buy this hair color, so I will add to cart, or I want to buy this ebook, so let's add to cart. Here you can see I will show you how we can add products which are from the external sources, like this is from amazon.com. So I will show you how we can sell those type of product also. When I will click here, that will redirect me to the amazon.co.uk, as this product is from amazon.co.uk. So I will show you how you can sell this type of products, which also allows you to have little commission from this websites as if you sell their products. Now as I have added few products to my cart, I will go to my cart page. See, here I can see I have two products in my cart, hair color and hair color brush. Actually this hair color brush is related to the, it's a group product. I have grouped it with the hair color, so both comes together. If I will buy hair brush, that will also include the hair color. If I will buy hair color, it will also include the hair brush on the same price, $35. I will show you how you can customize this currency also. Maybe you want to have it in Indian rupee, or maybe you want to have it in euro. So in the tutorial I will show you how you can change the currency value also. So here again I'm on my cart page. This is a cart total 45 as I have purchased two items. Now here in this video I have created a coupon called test coupon. So I will apply that coupon here. See, now when I will view my detail, test coupon allows the discount of $10. See, this $10 has been deducted from the cart total. Now I have the total of 35. This minus 10 after applying the coupon has been deducted. Now I can proceed to checkout. Simply when I will click to checkout, I have to fill up the billing details. These are default my details. You can have your own details, and once if you want to ship to a different address, you can click here and fill up this detail again. Default this detail and this detail is the same, as billing details is the shipping address. Now here it allows you to make your payment either by PayPal or by cash on delivery or check payment, direct bank transfer. So I will show you how you can set up all of this method so that user can make their payment along with this methods. Like I will click on proceed to PayPal. So it will redirect me to the PayPal page. This is my order summary, and since I have logged in, this is my email address for PayPal. So this is the detail and this is the billing information and all. This is how it works. Now you see on the my account page, the default I have been logged in. When I will sign out, I have an option for register, like the user will see it like this. So that first time they have to register for their email address and then log in. One more thing guys, this website is a complete responsive website, so that if I will collapse my browser's window, you see all the elements are resizing very beautifully, stacking on one on the top of other. See, this is the services page, hair color. This is shop page. This is my account page. So all the pages are behaving responsive. So let's get started. Here I have installed WordPress on localhost. If you want to know how I have installed WordPress on localhost, you can watch my earlier tutorial. I already have it on my channel. This is my channel. In the videos tab, you will find a video installing WordPress on localhost using web server. So here I am using localhost, but the very same way you can work online also, just after buying your domain name and installing WordPress on it. This is my name of the site, Beauty Zone. Now let's visit this site. This is a default theme by WordPress. It's version 4.1.1 and it's running theme 2015. Now first thing first, let's install the desired theme. So let's go to appearance, inside, let's go to themes, click on the add new. Let's search for the theme Travelify. Okay, so this is the theme I wanna install. You can also go for the preview, but let's just install it for now. Let's activate this theme now. Let's visit this site now. See, this is how our theme looks like now. Yet we have to customize it a lot. It is not necessary that we have to create a theme based on the travel basis only, as it's a Travelify theme, but we will have our theme on some beauty clinic services or some selling products related to beauty. This is the default post. Hello world, welcome to WordPress, blah blah blah. Now here's the sample page. Now let's begin and start to add few more pages, and later we will get rid of this sample page and sample post. So again we will go to dashboard. Either I can go to pages and click on the add new, or I can directly click on this icon plus new and click on the page. The first page I want to add is home. Now let's have some dummy content inside this. So let me have some dummy content. Let's paste it here. Now you can see it's a distraction free writing mode. When I will click on it, all the things which you see on the right sidebar and left sidebar will disappear. Likewise, but when I will click again, this toolbar and this right sidebar will appear again. But let's just dismiss it. Now you might be knowing about this several formatting option. See, when I will click here and select B, the text will get bold, or I can make any text italic, or I can align it left, or I can select my text completely, make it align right, align left, align center, or when I will click here, it's a toolbar toggle, so I can make it justify also. There are several other options you can try. I can change the text color. Now, see, when I scroll down, here I have an option to select the layout. The default layout is the right sidebar in the theme. So I will stay with the default layout, or I can directly click here on the right sidebar. If you want to go for some other layout, like if you want to have left sidebar or no sidebar, one column, no sidebar, full width, or maybe no sidebar, you can go for them. But I would prefer to have the right sidebar. This is also a default layout. You can also set the featured image, but we will have this image in next few pages, not on the home page. Let's just publish this page. Let's add the new page. The second page, directly I can click here on the top icon, add new. Then second page I want to create is about us. Again, I would like to have some dummy content, and again layout, right sidebar, no featured image again for this page. I would like to have a media file here, so let's click here and add the media. Select the file, and the file I want to upload is, so this is the image I want to upload. Now here you can see several other options are there. You can title your image, you can give it a alt text. In fact, alt text is very necessary. You must give it. It is very important for search engine optimization also to search your images. And if somehow your image is not visible on the user's page, then this text will appear. Simply right now I will have my alt text as same as the title, but you can name it differently if you want. You can also give the description for your image. You can make the alignment left, right, center. I will go with the left alignment, and I don't want to link it to any media file, so simply I will have none. Medium size is fine to me. Let's insert into page. See, if once you have inserted your image on the page, again you can edit it simply just by clicking on it. Here you have again the same option: align center, align right, align no alignment, and this is align left. Or you can click here to remove this image, or you can click here again to edit this image. That is, all the alignment options are here again: size, alignment, caption, title. Now let's hit publish for now. Now Let's visit our site. Still we have this default post, but now we have our home page also. When I will scroll down, you can see I have a comment box. So I will get rid of it very soon. And the second page here we have is About Us. Now to edit both of these pages, simply I can click here also on the top edit page, or I can go to dashboard, go to pages and click here edit. See, WordPress gives you many different ways to perform the same task. Let's click here edit. So you can see here on the bottom I have no option for setting up this comments. So I will go on the top, click on screen option, check on this discussion and comments. Now here I have a window of discussion. Simply I can uncheck this allow comments, allow trackbacks. So if you don't find any of the option here, simply you can scroll to the top. Here you have the button screen option and you can check and uncheck the things which you want to see or hide on the formatting page. See, if I don't want to see this page attributes, simply I can uncheck it. I don't want to see featured image, I can uncheck it. Let's have them back again. Now let's hit update. Now let's do it very same for the About Us page too. So I will go to pages, inside pages, all pages. Again I will go to About Us, edit. Now I don't have to go for screen option as I have already checked it once. See here I have allow comments, allow trackbacks. Once if you can't see this option, you can go for screen options. Let's hit update. Let's view this page now. See, now we don't have any comment box on the About Us page and also on the home page. Now let's add few more pages related to services. Simply I can click here on the plus icon, click on the page. Now the next page I want to insert is spa. Again I will have some dummy content and scroll down, turn off this comments and trackbacks, select the preferable layout, then add the media image. Simply I will have my cursor where I want to have the image, click on the add media, upload the file, select the file. The file I want to upload is this spa. Now again we can go for the title, alt text. So just copy and pasting to be very fast in alt text too. Now you can also go for caption, description, alignment. I want to have left alignment. I don't want to link it to any media file. Medium size is fine to me. Let's insert into page. Now here I want to add the featured image, as this featured image will help us to create the slider on the home page. So let's click on set featured image. Then let's upload the file, select the file. So this is the featured image I want to upload for this page. Again you can go for caption and description. Let's set this featured image. Let's publish this page. Now let's add another page. This next page I want to insert is hair color. Again I will have my dummy text. Scroll down, turn off this comments and trackbacks. Alignment, have right sidebar. Then add the media image. Upload the file, select the file. So this is the image I want to upload. Give it alt text, link it to none, insert into page. Now set the featured image for this page, upload the file, select the file, give it alt text, set featured image. So hair color is done. To be fast, first I'm adding up all the pages, then we will go for the preview. Now the next page I want to insert is hair color spa. Let's have hair straightening page. So simply I will click on the add new. Have my dummy content. Uncheck allow comments trackbacks. Select the default layer. Set the featured image. Upload the file. Select the file. Give it alt text. Click on set featured image. Add a media item on this page. Give it a title, alt text, link it to none, insert into page. Now let's hit publish. Let's click on add new. Have the page makeup. Now have my dummy content on it. Uncheck this allow comments, allow trackbacks. Select the layout. Now I will set the featured image. Copy and paste up for the alt text, set the featured image. Now let's hit publish. Now let's visit our site. Very soon we will get rid of this default post. Let's visit our home page now. So this will be the home page and this will be the about us page and hair color page. Basically I will have services tab and inside that services I would like to have hair color, hair straightening and then makeup. All these 4 will be the sub menu items of the main item services. I don't want to create any services page, simply a tab so that anybody will hover, sub items will pop up. Let's first get rid of this sample page and the default post. So I will go to dashboard, hover on the website name, go to dashboard, go to pages, all pages. Here is the sample page. Simply we can trash it. Now let's visit our site. Still we have this default page. Very soon we will get rid of it too. So this is the home page, about us page, rest all pages. Now to make home page as the first page rather than having that post, we will go to dashboard, go to settings, inside reading. This front page displays your latest post. I want to have my front page as a static web page. But once if you want to have your post and if you want to create the post, want to have your front page as the post, you can go for your latest post. As a sample we are having right now as hello world. Now let's click on the static web page, a static page, then select the page. The page is front page is home. Now let's hit save changes. Now when I will visit my site, see home page is the first page. Now let's take care of organizing this navigation bar, that is having home page on the first, then we will have about us page, then we will have services tab, then this all of this 4 services. So I can hover on my website name, then can go to menus, or I can go to dashboard. In the appearance I can go to menus. Here you can see the name of menu 1. Simply you can also change the name of menu, but I would like to stay with the default name menu 1. There is no harm. Now you can see here are all the pages which we have in our navigation bar. We can see home pages 2 times. So let's just remove one home page. Simply I can click here on the drop down arrow and remove this page. So this is home, about us, and rest all. So first, now let's have our services tab. So I will go to links, create a link. First give a link title services, link text services. Now give it a link. Actually I don't want to give it any link, but let's just have a dummy link for now. Let's click add to menu. See here now I have services. It says us custom rather than having page here. We have custom. Now when I will click on the drop down arrow, I can remove this link simply. Close this arrow. Now after the home I want to have my services page, or maybe after the about us. And inside about us I want to have the following services. So simply I can give little indent and make them sub item. Now again I can reorganize them if I want. Maybe I can have spa page on the second. Simply drag and drop. Now let's click on create menu. This menu 1, yet we have to click on the create menu. So the menu has been created now. Now when I will scroll down, you can see here we have theme location. We have to check on the primary menu, or we can go to manage location. Even though you will have check on primary menu in edit menus here on the downwards, still I will recommend you to go to manage location and check once again if your menu has been selected or not. So select the name of menu from this drop down list, menu 1, hit save changes. Now when I will go to edit menus, see I have checked here on the primary menu itself. But to be safer side, just cross check this location. Now let's hit save changes. Let's visit our site. See now I have only 3 items. This is home, about us, and inside services I have this 4 pages. One more page I would like to add up is contact page. Let's first have this contact page. We will have contact form inside it later. So I will click on plus new, add the page. That will be my contact page. Let's hit publish here. Now see now when I will visit my site, I don't have here contact option. So to add it in the menu bar, again I can go to my menus and see here most recent I have contact, or I can view all also, or I can search the item also. So I will go to most recent, check on contact, add to menu. Now we have here contact. Let's save this menu. Now when I will visit my site, obviously I have the contact page. Very soon we will create a contact form and get rid of this comment box too. But let's leave it right now like this. Now let's take care of adding a slider on the home page. To have the slider, we will have all of the featured images for this services page. Inside this services page we have. To have the slider, we will use all of the images which we have in featured image. Inside services page, we have that featured images. So I will go to dashboard, inside appearance, inside theme option. These are the main options related to theme, but which we will see little later. I will go to first to featured slider. Now inside the slider option, you have several more settings. You can check to disable if you don't want to have slider at all, or you can change the transition effect, fade, wipe, scroll, or you can delay the transition. Transition length is 1 second. This is how you can play along with these settings. Here we have featured post page slider option. Now here we will add the number of slides we want to have. I want to have the 4 slides, but if you want to have different number of slides, you can give that number here. But all the images must be a featured image in any of the post or page. That can be a post also. Here we have pages, so we will grab the ID of all the pages and paste it here. If it will be a post, you have to grab the ID of post. Now I will show you how we can grab the IDs. Simply I will go and visit my site in a new window. Inside these services, see in the hair color, I have this ID is equals to 13. So 13 is my ID right now. But later I will also show you how you can have better URL address of your pages. As this type of URL address is not recommended URL address. It is not easy for you to remember this type of URL address, and it is not possible for search engine optimization to search your pages. So right now we can grab the ID 13, or if you have already changed your URL address, then you can grab your ID just after clicking on edit page. Here is the same ID you have. Post is equal to 13. So let's copy this ID and paste it here. Now let's have the second ID. So I will go to the second page spa, grab the ID 9, paste this ID, then go for the third image on the slider, the third image for hair straightening, copy this and paste it. For the fourth image, go to fourth page, grab the ID 22, paste it there. One more thing guys, if you want to change the sequence of images in the slider, simply you can change this number, order of this number. And one more thing guys, here you can see the recommended image size is 1018 by 460 pixels. So the images I have used in featured image are of this dimension. Now let's save all changes. So the settings has been saved. Now let's visit our site. See, now we have a slider on home page. Now obviously this featured box is too large and the face has been hidden behind this featured box. So I will make it to the floor left instead of having it on the right side just after changing the few CSS properties. If you don't want to change the direction, definitely don't change it. But once if you want to change the direction or change the height or width of this box, I will show you how we can do this type of things with our CSS properties. But that I will do it little later. So now let's again go to dashboard, go to appearance and go to theme option. See, here are the main options. Now let's see the main options inside theme option. So here is the header option. Now here we can upload the logo. Header logo, header text only disable. See, now right now we have the site title, but once if we will upload the logo, this type we won't have this site title. See, here we have three options: header logo only, header text only, disable. If we will check on this header text only, then logo will not be appear. We will have only this title, just another WordPress site. Now instead, let's have header logo only and upload the logo. Select the file. The logo I want to upload is this. The dimension I am using is 125 pixels by 125 pixels. Now you can provide the following details: alternative text, caption, description, link URL. But right now, to be fast, I'm skipping everything. Just insert into post and save all changes. Now when I will refresh, see, I have a logo. Now the reason behind 125px as a dimension was, however, whatever will be the height of this logo will increase the height of this header. So I was satisfied with this dimension, but you can have different dimensions if you want, and you can have maybe much wider than this 125px. It is not necessary to have height and width to be same, 125 by 125. So it's totally your preference how you want your things to be. But if you have the image of larger dimension in height, that will increase this height of header. So let's go to again main options, see more settings. Now you can also upload the favicon for your web page. Favicon is a small image which appears on the left side of the website. See, W is favicon here for this WAMP server. Let me give you one more better example. This google.co.in is also having G as a favicon image. So you can upload your image. But the dimension for favicon are always 16 pixels by 16 pixels as it's a tiny icon. But right now I'm skipping this favicon. But once if you want to upload an image, definitely you can. Now these are the layout options which we have already set up to right sidebar. You can change the layout option for each and every page as we have already seen. This is a custom background. You can change the custom background. When I will click here, see, this is the default background right now we have on our theme. You can change this background if you want. Simply you will have to upload image here. Right now I'm skipping this also. If you have a RSS URL address, you can paste it here. This is feed redirect URL. And these are the home page option, home post categories. Basically, if you have any post and you create a category for that post, so that will appear here. So let's save all changes. Now main options are done. We have done the featured slider. Here we can see we can give the social links which will appear on the here on the right sidebar, top of the right sidebar. So let's give a social icons link for the social icons. So let's have Facebook URL address, Twitter URL address, plus URL address, Pinterest URL address. It is already having it in its memory. Simply I'm just clicking YouTube URL address. Then I'm also on LinkedIn URL address. Then let's save all changes. I don't use Flickr, Tumblr, Instagram, RSS. If you have your social links for these website, definitely you can provide the links. Let's save all changes. Let's refresh our page now. See, now we have this social icons, and when I hover, you can see how it reacts. And definitely when I will click on it, that will open the relevant pages. Now let's have contact form. Then we will go for having our main functionality of this website, e-commerce functionality. So let's have first contact form. To have the contact form, I will go to dashboard, go to plugin, add new plugin, search for the plugin. I already know which one is the best, but still you can choose different plugin if you know the better. Contact form 7, easy and simple to use. So this is the plugin. Let's just install it. Let's activate this plugin. See, now here I have contact option in my toolbox. Simply I can go and click on the contact form, copy this shortcode. You can customize this contact form also, but let's just have this shortcode for now. And go to our contact page, go to pages, all pages. Here is the contact, edit it, paste the shortcode here, and obviously we will get rid of this comment box. And right sidebar, no featured image for the contact page. Let's hit update. Now let's view our page. See, now we have a contact form. Now anybody can fill up this detail that will be sent to us in our email, in our inbox. Now we have to add the widgets in the right sidebar, but that we will do little later, as I want to show the products which we want to sell here. So first we have to add the e-commerce functionality. Then only I can go for this right sidebar widgets. Before installing e-commerce plugin, we will go to dashboard and go to appearance. Here you can see customize. So here you have further more option for customization. See, if you have seen the title earlier, it was here instead of logo just another WordPress website. Maybe you don't want to have any logo here, so you can simply change this title and this site title and tagline. This is the Travelify header area, which will allow you to change the color of header area. This is website title color, beauty zone. Maybe it was earlier it was in the site title, this beauty zone color. So that will change. Right now it is a part of logo, so it won't affect. Website title hover color. So when you hover on the title, changes its colors so that you can change that color from here also. Menu item text color, you can see we have in the white color. The text color is white. You can change it the color if you want to. Say I want to have it in blue color. This was just an example. I would like to stay with the default, but once if you want to change this color, definitely you can. Menu bar color, you can change the color of menu bar. Just I would like to stay with the default. And menu bar hover color, see on the home we have the hover color, so that hover color can also be changed. See now we have blue, but let's have again the default one. This is a social icon. You can also change them if you want. See, but I would like to stay with the default again. Now Travelify typographic color. See, you can see the content is in the gray color right now. You can change the color. You can change the color of header title also. You can change this gray color to some other color. You can change the color of link if you have any link on your web page. Link hover color. These colors can be changed from here. Now Travelify footer. This is the default footer text. You can change this color. You can change this default footer text. Here you have default footer text. Now see, you can have it like so. This is the default text you want to have. Maybe something more like this. This is the background color. This background color, you can see, you can change this color if you want. Here you can upload the header image. Likewise, we are having a slider on the home page. These are the same dimension we have there, 1018 by 250 px. Again, we have seen you can add the background image in the main options. Inside theme customization, we have seen this option. Navigation bar is what we have already selected. Menu 1 as a navigation primary menu. In the menus inside appearance, this is widget setting that I have told you we will do it in the end. This is a footer widget. I don't want to have any footer widget, but once if you want to have, I will show you how you can add footer widget. This is static front page, which we have already declared as the home page is a static web page. Inside settings in the readings. So let's hit save and publish. So these are few more customization options. Now let's have our e-commerce plugin. So I will go to dashboard, go to plugins, add the new plugin. The plugin I want to use for e-commerce functionality is WooCommerce. So I will search for this plugin. This is the plugin I want to install. Let's just install it now. Yes, I want to install. Unpacking the package. So the plugin has been successfully installed. Notice here the version we are using is 2.3.5. The current version for right now. Let's activate this plugin. See, now here comes a message. Welcome to WooCommerce. You are almost ready to start selling. Install WooCommerce pages. And in the toolbar also you can see we have option WooCommerce and several other setting options are there, and we have a products tab also. So we can add our products which we want to sell. We will go for this option little later. First, let's install WooCommerce pages. So this is what we have. Welcome to WooCommerce. Now let's visit our site. See, still we can see the pages of WooCommerce, the additional pages it has installed. So as we have already set it up our menu bar, navigation bar, so manually now we have to add those pages. So we will go to menus, search for the pages. See, these are the pages which has been added by WooCommerce: My Commerce, Check, My Account, Checkout, Cart, Shop. These are the 4 pages. So let's add to menu. Now simply you can arrange the sequence however you want to have it. Maybe you want to have checkout page after cart, this cart, checkout, shop, my account. Now let's save our menu. Now let's visit our site. See, we have all of the 4 pages. Right now these pages are empty. The default sign in is my account. Simply we can sign out and register for the new account. And this is the shop page, which is empty currently. No products. Cart is empty. We can't check out unless we purchase something. So let's add few products which we want to sell. So let's go to dashboard, go to products, add the product. Let's have first product to be hair color. Now let's have some description about this product. Let's have some dummy content. Let's close this extra windows. Now you can see here you have options product data. There are simple product, grouped product, external, affiliate product, variable product. We will see all of these options one by one. First, let's have simple product. You can click on it if it's a virtual product or downloadable product. Maybe it's an ebook or something like that. So they are intangible and aren't shipped. See, when you will hover on them, they gives you nice tooltip. And this is SKU, stock keeping unit. This SKU refers to stock keeping unit, a unique identifier for each distinct product and services that can be purchased. I'm skipping this SKU. Just I want to make this product as a simple product and the price 45 and 35. See, right now here is the pound symbol. I will show you how you can change the currency. You can make it in the US dollar or in the Indian rupees or maybe in the euro. So have your price accordingly. Right now I am having this price 45 and 35. Maybe you can take it in the terms of dollar, US dollar or anything. This is just a demo. So you can mention the amount likewise. You can also mention the schedule. So you can mention the start and end for this offer of this sell price if you want. So this offer will work only till this that you're gonna mention here. See, you can see here we have inventory. You can go for it if you want to manage the stock and stock status, if it's in the stock, out of the stock. So you can check on this sold individually. Enable this to only allow one of this item to be bought in a single order. I'm skipping inventory. Shipping we will discuss little later. There's a lot to discuss it about. Now in the linked products, here we have upsells, cross-sells and grouping. Upsells are products which you recommend instead of the currently viewed product. For example, products that are more profitable or better quality or more expensive. So you can recommend that product here, upsells. Cross-sells are products which you promote in the cart based on the current product. So you can go for the upsells and cross-sells, right? When we will add up few products, then here we will have list. just after entering this three characters. Right now I'm skipping this upsells cross sells, but once if you want to try this upsells cross sells, definitely you can. Grouping is related to grouped product, so I will discuss in the grouped product. So I'm skipping this grouping also for now. Now we can give the attributes for our products. See here on the attributes, I can add the attribute. Simply I can click on add and I can add the attribute like say it's a hair color. So attribute is product type. Now enter some text or some attributes by this value, this symbol. This is a pipe symbol. We can separate our values just by this symbol. You can see this symbol above the enter key on your keyboard. So maybe this can be permanent or semi-permanent, maybe temporary, maybe ammonia free, anything that could be. So let's add one or two more attributes. Let's add an attribute color. So black, again with pipe symbol. I will separate the values brown, violet, and red. Now let's save our attributes. Now here are the advanced option. If you want to have any purchase note, enter an optional note to send the customer after purchase, or this is menu order. You can enable it for reviews or you can disable simply just after clicking on it so that user can give their reviews. You can go for the custom field also. Now let's have product short description. So have one or two line about the product. Copy this and paste it here. Now notice guys, here on the right side you can see we can give tags for also our product. See, it is related to hair, so let's have hair maybe, or click here on the hair, maybe beauty. You can add category also. Again I can keep it in the category here. Add new category. If you want to add more categories, simply click on add new category. So these are category, these are tags, two tags which we have mentioned. You can also set the featured image. That featured image will appear on the shop page. So let's set the featured image. Upload the file, select the file. So this is my hair color featured image. You can go for the caption. I'm having all text. Go for the description if you want. Let's set this featured image. Now next thing, add product gallery image. Now we can upload our file. I'm uploading all the three files in once. See hair color 1, 2, 3. Now obviously you can select them and change the title for all of this images you have uploaded and give the alt text to. Just to do the very fast, I'm skipping it. Now let's add to gallery. Now you can also change the sequence of images, how you want them to appear in your gallery. Maybe this one be the first, or this to be second, and this to be third. This is totally your preference, how you want your images to be. Now let's hit publish. Let's view our product now. See, here we can directly click view product. So this is hair color. 45 pound is blurred. Now we have 35 pound, and simply anybody can mention the quantity and click on add to cart. In the last we will check this functionality of buying the products. Now when I will click off any of the images, you can see it displays a beautiful light box gallery. Now this is the description about the product. This is additional information. This is which consists of the attributes which we have mentioned: permanent, semi-permanent, temporary, ammonia-free, black, brown, violet, red colors. Now reviews. User can give the reviews and give ratings also on our products, and they can submit. Now when I will go to my shop page, here we will find that product, and when I will click here, this is the product. Now let's add few more product. Add more product. When I will click here on the plus new, now we have product also here. So simply we will click here, add another product. The second product I want to sell is foundation. Now again, let's have some description, some dummy content, only 2 para. Paste it here. Now instead of simple, let's make it variable product. You can give this SKU. See, now we don't have price option here as it's a variable product. First we will set up the variation, then for the different variation that will be the price. Now before adding up the variation, you have to save some attributes. So let's add attributes here first. So the first attribute I want to add is product type, solid, powder base, and second attribute again separated with pipe symbol, liquid, use for variation, save attribute. Now let's add another attribute, skin tone, fair, medium, and dark, use for variation. Let's save these attributes. Now when we will go to variation, we have to choose this default. The default product, let's have maybe solid and go for the fair. Now after selecting this default products, we can add the variation. We can choose a field to bulk edit, but let's just do it step by step so that we don't miss anything. Here you can mention the SKU, and Okay, if it's a downloadable or virtual, you have to check on this. If you want to manage this stock, let's go for the price. Let's say 45 and here 35. Now you can mention the status, whether it is in this stock or out of this stock. Now weight, how much weight of this product is. Now shipping class, same as parent. We will discuss about the shipping class. Now it is for solid product base, fair scheme. Now I have to do it for solid and medium and dark too. Then we will go for liquid and all of this three. So we have to go for one by one all of the combination. First it's a solid and fair. Now it's a 45, 35 sale price, regular price, and rest all other details. We have to click add variation. Now we will set up the second combination. Again, solid powder base for mediums. Here maybe regular price 50, sale price 45. Price are just for the demo purpose. You can change the values and you can mention them according to your currency. As I have already told you, I will show you how you can change the currencies here. But that we will do in the last inside settings. So let's add the variation straight away, skipping all this thing. Solid powder base and for dark skin 50 or 45. You can also plan schedule for this for the sale price. Now let's add variation. Now we'll go for liquid, then liquid and fair one. Simply I will mention the price only. Let's add variation again. Now liquid and medium, two more to go. Now again I can mention the price. Now the last one, liquid and dark. Now let's have product short description here. So some 1 or 2 line here. Copy and paste up. Dummy content and let's set the featured image. Upload the file, select the file. I want to have this image as a featured image. You can go for the caption and description. Let's set this featured image. Now to the gallery, I want to upload few images, like all three I'm uploading. Simply you can select and change the title and caption and all text. Let's add to gallery. You can also drag and drop to change the sequence. Let's hit publish. Now let's view our product. See here, now we have all of the variation. Solid powder base and fair is the default which we have provided, and this is the medium, this is dark, this is liquid, and price changes according to the variation. These are definitely what we have mentioned. Now we can simply click the desired product and add to cart. And this price is between £35 to £45 right now. And this is a description, additional information. This to variation and the reviews so that user can leave the review. Now when I will visit my shop page, see now I have two items. The first one is foundation and second is hair color. And notice guys, here I have a button add to cart, and here instead of add to cart I have a button select option, so that I can click on it, select the option, then I have a button add to cart. Now let's add our third product. Go to dashboard, or maybe go to new and add the product, or I can go to products and add the product. Now let's add a product, makeup kit. Let's have some description about it. Maybe only 2 paras are sufficient. Now the product type, let's make it external and affiliated product. We have seen the simple product and variable product. Now the next product I want to show you is external and affiliate product. This is the product which we are selling from some outsources. See, like if I have a product on some other site on amazon.co.uk, so this is the product I want to sell on my site. If we sell the product of some other site and they give us little amount of commission to us, so just we will copy this URL address and this is the product URL. So here we will provide that URL address. This is enter the external URL to the product. Now button text. Let's have a text buy on, as this will redirect them to the Amazon page. This URL address basically for this product. Now we can give the regular price, sell price, and we can see what is their sell price. 19 and 17. They have this 19 pound and 17. So let's have 19 and 17 here. Now you can give the attributes also. Let's add the attribute and copy this attribute from here. Say do not copy too much of content from this website, as it may create problem for you. See, we are using dummy text, and if using too much of content from their site or maybe using their image may create problem for you, as they may be copyright protected. But here I am using local host, so there it won't make any problem for me. But when you will work live on your website, that can be a problem for you, using too much of their content, too much of their image. We can have the attribute. This, if I will blindly copy this description, paste it there, all this thing may create issue. So always take care when you are using images from some web pages or doing just Google search, they may be copyright protected. Let's go for all product description. See, now here we have few attributes. Let's copy one or two attributes just for the example. Now let's have eyeshadows 24. So eyeshadows 24. Then lipstick. We have 4 lipsticks. Let's save this attribute. Add the another attribute 4. Likewise, you can go for the more. Let's save this much for now. Now you can give the tags and categories. This is product tag and this is category. Now let's set the featured image. Here I will only go up with the featured image. I'm not going for the gallery as it's a products from outsource. As I have told you, I'm using local host, so I'm uploading the same image. Let's set featured image. Now let's give a short description of this product. Just have 1 or 2 lines. Some dummy content. And let's just publish this page. Now let's view our product. See, this is makeup kit and this is the price for it, and see, buy on Amazon. Now when I will click on it, that will redirect me to the Amazon page. Here we have that page. And this is the additional information, description, reviews, rest all other things. Now when I will go to my shop page, here again buy on Amazon and click on this product. Then this product opens, buy on Amazon. Now let's add 1 or 2 more products. Let's go to dashboard, products, add product. And still we have to see what this grouped products are. So this time we're gonna create this product as a group product. So the group product I want to have is hair brush. So that I will link up with hair color. Maybe hair color brush. Now let's have some dummy content. Instead of simple, let's make it grouped. This is what we have to do here right now. We don't have to mention anything else here. Maybe you can go for cross sells and upsells if you want. We don't have to mention attributes. Simply we will go for enable. We may uncheck it as we want to have a group review for both of this product. This is what is required here. Now let's give a short description of product. Set the featured image. Upload the image. So this is hair color brush. And you can go for the rest of the things, alt caption. See, if I want to add this product category again here, simply I can click here, add new, or simply I can just check here, so that will be added. Here will be. You can mention tags also. Separated with the comma. Now let's hit publish. Now let's view our product. See, this is the product, but still we don't have any button to add to cart here, as this is a linked product. So now we have to link up this product to something. It's a group product. We have to do the grouping. So I will go to dashboard, go to product. The product has to be the simple product. So here hair color, let's go and edit it. So here hair color we have kept it in a simple product category. Then I can go for linked product and do a grouping of it. Hair color brush. Now I have an option hair color brush. Earlier it was not there. Since I have created hair color brush kept in a category of grouped product, so now in the grouping I have option hair color brush. Simply let's hit update. Now let's view this product now. See, on the hair color now we have related product hair brush, and when I will click on the hair brush view product by clicking, same is the price and add to cart. When I will buy any one of that product, both of will come in the combination in this price. Same is the price. And the related product, again we have hair color here. Now let's go to dashboard, add one more product. Click on add product. Makeup ebook. So this is the basically ebook which we will create in the downloadable category now. Now let's copy and paste all of this text. Let's make it a simple product and click on virtual, click on downloadable. Give it some sort of price here, 10. Regular price, no sale price there, only a regular price. Copy and paste a short description for this product and add only a featured image. See, now when I have clicked here downloadable, obviously I need to upload the file. So here I have a window and I can click on add file. I can choose the file. I have to upload that file basically. Select the file. That can be a PDF file also. So insert file URL. So now this file URL is uploaded here. This when I hover here, this is the URL or absolute path to the file which customer will get access to. So maybe they will pay some money, then they can download this from this link. You can mention the download limit, download expiry. Maybe you can limit your download. Maybe say you can download only for one time. You can download it for 5 times, or you can make it unlimited. Leave blank for unlimited. So we will leave it blank. And we can also mention expiry day. Enter the number of days before a download link expires, or leave blank if you want to have it as never. You can choose a download type. Let's leave it with the default. Now let's hit publish and let's view our product. So this is our ebook now. When we will add to cart and make the payment, then that link will be provided to us to download this ebook. So this is our shop page now, consists of all of these items. Now let's go to dashboard and see the WooCommerce settings. Here is the order, coupons, and let's create a coupon first. Then we will test up this checkout process, cart process, checkout process. Then we will set up one by one. So let's go to coupon, create a discount coupon. See, here we can add the coupon and create the discount coupon for our customers. We'll name it test coupon. You can give the description. Here we have option general, like we can give the card discount, we can give the discount in percentage, card percent. We can give the discount on any product discount, product percent discount. If you are giving discount on product or product percent, then in the usage restriction you can search that product, which type of product you want to give discount to. Like I want to give it on makeup kit or maybe makeup ebook. So this is limited to product discount. So these are the types of discount you can give. Let's have card discount and the value maybe 10 instead of percent, straight away 10. Now here you can give the allow free shipping along with this coupon. Now you can mention the date of expiry of this coupon. Now you inside usage restriction, if maybe they have to spend some minimum amount of money before applying this coupon, or this is the maximum amount they have to spend, the field allows you to set the maximum subtotal allowed when using the coupon, and this field allows you to set the minimum subtotal needed to use the coupon. So minimum amount they have to be spent, then they will be eligible to use this type of coupon. And this is maximum spend. This is for individual use only. Check this box if the coupon cannot be used in conjunction with other coupons, or maybe exclude sale items. If you want to check this box if the coupon should not apply to items on sale. Per item coupon will only work if the sale item is not on the sale. Per cart coupon will only work if there are no sale items in the cart. So you can select these options if you want. As I have told you, if you are giving any product discount, you can have the product there, or maybe if you want to exclude some product, like if you want to exclude hairbrush from this discount coupon, you can mention that product here. So when the user will try to apply the coupon on this product, it will pop up error message. Simply if you are choosing the product discount instead of card discount, then inside here in the product categories, so they are based on the category. This is the two categories we have created, beauty and hair, along with this products. So this is the email restriction. Maybe you have already given discount to user having email address like ritu@gmail.com. Now if again she is applying the same coupon, you can have restriction. You can keep this email address in restriction, so she can't apply it again. Like Here list of allowed emails to check against the customer's billing email when an order is placed. Separate email addresses with commas. Like, right, if we have to insert more than one email address, simply we can separate them with commas. Now usage limit per coupon means that I have created a test coupon. So maybe I want it like first 50% whoever use this coupon will be eligible to use this coupon. Rest all whoever comes after 50 will not be able to use this coupon. Now here is usage limit per user. Like one person can use this coupon for only one time that you can mention, or maybe for 2 times. This is per user and this is per coupon. You can also read this tooltip. How many times this coupon can be used by an individual user. Uses billing email for guest and user ID for logged in user. How many times this coupon can be used before it is void. So this is all about coupon. So in the general we have created this coupon, test coupon of the amount 10. Let's hit publish. Now let's go to our site, visit site. Let's shop something and test this coupon. So I will go to shop. Suppose I want to buy this hair color. Add to cart. Now let's view our cart. Here we have hair color and hair brush, as both are the related products. So cart total is 35. See, now I can apply that coupon. Notice guys, it's a case sensitive. So this is the taste coupon. I have to write it very same way. I can't write it like capital T. If it's a small, I have to write it in the small letters and with this space taste coupon. Now let's apply this coupon. See, once we have applied the coupon, here we have minus 10 which has been deducted. Now the order total is 25 pounds. Now we can proceed to checkout. When I will click on checkout, here is we have to give the billing details. We will come to it little later. Let's see further more settings there. We can make the payment via PayPal, MasterCard, or bank transfer, direct bank transfer. Let's go to dashboard. Here in this settings, we have few settings. General setting. This is the base location, United Kingdom. If you are not in UK, you can change the location. Maybe it's India, Madhya Pradesh. Then you can mention selling location, sell to specific countries, sell to all countries. Then you can go for the stored notice. If you can check it, enable it. You can go for the API, rest of the APIs. These are the currency option. The current currency is pound sterling. The currency position is on the left side. Now you can change it to Indian rupee, or maybe you can change it to US dollars. Indian rupee does not support the PayPal payment. So I will go for right now. For this example, I will select the US dollars. This 1000 separated, decimal separate. You can go for this settings if you want. Let's save the changes. Now these are the product setting. This is general setting. This is measurement. You can provide the weight of your products. And this is the rating. Enable rating on reviews. Rating are required to leave a review. You can check them or uncheck them. Just simply disable or enable them. Show verified owner label for customer reviews. Only allow reviews from verified owners. You can check or uncheck them. Now this is the display setting. This is the shop page. This sets the base page of your shop. This is where your product archive will be. You can change if you want this page to appear on the some other page, but this, let's have it shop page. Like we are going to shop page if we want to purchase any of the item. This is shop page display. The control what is shown on the shop page archive. Default category display. The controls what is shown on the category archives. You can simply check the options you want. Show subcategories, products, show both. Default product sorting, custom ordering or name on the basis of popularity, on the basis of sort by most recent price. See, when you are on the shop page, they allow you to categorize your product. This is default sorting. You can sort by popularity or maybe sort by average rating, sort by newness. So this is how it gonna works. Sort by low to high price. Now notice guys, as we have changed it to dollar, now we have dollar symbol. $10, $17, $35. Just the pound symbol has been changed to dollar now, as we have converted our currency into dollars now. Add to cart behavior. Redirect to cart page after successful addition or enable Ajax add to cart buttons on archives, as we have add to cart button there. Now these are the images of catalog. These are the dimension. You can mention these dimensions for the single product image, product thumbnails. Then enable lightbox for product images. We were having lightbox gallery. You can enable to have hard crop or you can use soft crop. Let me show you what this hard crop and soft crop means. See, this is the example of hard crop. This is the original image and this is the example of soft crop. So the image is resized, that nothing is cropped, and in the hard crop everything is cropped off from the corners. So this is how crop works. Let's save these changes. Now after display, you can see we have inventory option inside product. You enable stock management. You can check or uncheck it. Hold stock minutes. Hold stock for unpaid order for X minutes. When this limit is reached, the pending order will be cancelled. Leave blank to disable. Then notification, enable low stock notification, enable out of stock notification along with the product. You can see this type of notification. Then the notification recipient, this must be your email address where you want to get notification. So this is the low stock threshold too. You can customize it. This is out of stock threshold. Out of stock visibility, hide out of stock items from the catalog. Maybe that items are out of stock, so simply you can hide them just by checking them. Stock display format, always show stock, example 12 in stock. So this is a basic format how you want your stock display form. Now for the downloadable product, file downloadable method, force download, redirect only, or XXL redirect, X send file. Access restriction, downloads require login. Maybe they have to log in first, then only you will allow to download the ebooks or anything you have in downloadable product. Grant access to downloadable products after payment. So once they will make the payment, then you want to access them to download that. So this is the text setting for your products. If you want to know in more detail how this setting works, you can just in the Google type the Woo Themes text, then that will show you the link docs.woothemes.com. Just open this link, then you will have the detailed description about this text and text rates, or you can watch this video also by WooCommerce for this text settings. Now this is the checkout page. Enable the use of coupon, like coupon we have created. Enable guest checkout. Allow customer to check out without creating an account. Maybe you want them to create account first, then on your website, then they can purchase. Then force secure checkout, force SSL HTTPS on checkout page as SSL certificate is required. These are the checkout pages. Cart, this is checkout page. This is terms and condition. If you want to mention any terms and condition, you can select that page from here, but right now we are not having any terms and condition. Now these are the payment gateways: direct bank transfer, check payment, cash on delivery, PayPal. Simply here we have option direct bank transfer, check payment. These are simply checked. Cash on delivery, if you want to enable cash on delivery, you can go to the settings. Like if we have to enable for direct bank transfer, we will go to settings, give the detail here. It's Sachdev. Here this is the account number. I am giving some dummy detail here. This is the bank detail. Here's the IFSC code and SWIFT code, IBN code. Let's just add account for now. So this will help us to make the bank payment. This bank details will be appear on the user's page, so they can transfer their amount in this account number. Now we can also do the settings for PayPal. Similarly, you can give our PayPal email or address. Like I have the rithi@gmail.com. Enable PayPal sandbox. So sandbox can be used for test payment, but signing up for a developer account, we have to create account, then we can use the test sandbox. Then email address, you can set up the email address where you want to have this emails. Here you have to mention the API address. See, if you want to go in more detail, again you can Google and Woo Themes payment gateway. Then again you have docs.woothemes.com document payment gateway. You can open this link and you will have more details regarding to set up this payment methods. So let's save changes. Now same way I can go for other checkout options. This is cash on delivery. If I want to enable cash on delivery, I can simply enable here, and I can give the description: pay with cash upon delivery, give the instruction that will be added, thank you page or anything like payment method description that the customer will see on checkout. So this This is about description, this is about instruction. Right. This is the shipping setting. So if you want to enable the shipping, you can enable. If you want to disable shipping, you can enable the shipping calculator on cart page. So shipping calculation will be shown on the cart page. Display shipping methods with radio buttons. These are the basically settings related to shipping. Default to billing address, shipping destination. You can go for this shipping settings. This is the flat rate. So rate of the shippings, you can set up the rate amount related to the shipping. And this is, if you want to enable free shipping, you can go for this settings. International delivery. If you want to enable shipping method for international delivery, you can check on it. You can go for the more of these settings. Then this is for the local delivery. You can check on enable local delivery if you want. This is fee type, fixed amount. This is title. So these are the settings. You can go for local delivery. This is local pickup. Local pickup is simple method which allows customers to pick up order themselves. So you can check on enable local pickup. If you want your customers to, they can also pick up themselves. So this is local pickup. Now let's save changes. Let's see settings for accounts. This page needs to be set that WooCommerce knows where the send user to access account related functionality. Now enable registration on the checkout. You can enable registration on my account page also. So you can enable registration on checkout page, on my account page. Display returning customer login reminder on checkout page. Automatically generate username for customer email. Automatically generate customer password. So you can go for this option. Let's save changes. Now this is the email option. Like if someone purchase your product, you have to send email to them. Then this is the from beauty zone and this is the from email address. Then you can always preview your email template here. This is the email template, and if you want to upload any header image, this is the email footer text. If you want to change, you can simply change. This is powered by WooCommerce. Then this type of email will be sent to your customers. These are the colors setting for this email. Now inside email options, there is new order, cancelled order. These are the settings related to order of email. See, inside order there is a list of orders and there is the status. See, let's buy something. Let's add this option to cart. Let's this option also to cart. Let's select this option and add to cart. Now like here I click on proceed to checkout. Now see, I give the billing address, details, about me, maybe in the name of company. This is the address. Madhya Pradesh. Then this is the zip code. These are the information I have to provide when I will buy something let's have some dummy number here. Then let's place order. I will prefer to have direct bank transfer. See, order received. Thank you, your order has been received. If you will set up bank account detail, here your details will appear, and these are the details about order. Now this is the shipping address, this is the billing address. See, now when I will go to orders, here I have status for order. See, it's on hold, as yet I have to make the payment. Ship to this following address. If that order is completed, then manually I have to go. This is the order status on hold. If we will process our order, we will change it to processing. If that order will be completed, we have to click completed here. If that order is cancelled, then we have to click cancel here. Then if that order is refunded, we have to click refunded here. Then Wordpress, this WooCommerce itself will send mail to this our customer on this address when we will change this order. So that what we have to manage inside orders. Inside the settings, here we have now in the emails, here we have orders. New order, cancelled order, processing order, customer note, reset password, new account. If you want to read more about this orders, simply you can Google WooCommerce order. Here's a managing order. So inside this you can see this order: failed, processing completed, on hold, refunded. So this is how order and email works. Now here we have seen the products, add product. Now in the categories, here are the categories which we have mentioned for our products. Now these are the tags which we have mentioned for our products. You can customize them more if you want. Create new tag, shift any other product in that tag. These are the shipping classes. Shipping classes can be used to group products of similar type. These groups can be used by certain shipping methods to provide different rates to shipping products. So this is here you can add the new shipping class. Now let's go and visit our site. This is how. See, this is my account. First user has to sign up for account. Simply when I will sign out. Now here I have option registration. As we have checked on the settings, show registration option on the my account page. So here they can log in with some different name and password. So they can register and create their account here. Since I have logged out, so I have been logged out from my site also. So again I have to log in. So now I visit my site. I have to add the widgets on the right sidebar. As I have told you, we will do it in the end after setting up our e-commerce functionality. So now I will go to dashboard, go to appearance, go to widgets. These are the widgets on the left sidebar. Right now we don't have any left sidebar. We are going to have right sidebar. So let's add few widgets on the right sidebar. The first widget, I want to have this search box so anybody can search our web page. The second widget I want to have is, see, now we have some widgets related to WooCommerce also. This is the widget I want to add, WooCommerce products. Now let's visit our site now. See, now we have WooCommerce product also here on each and every page. So that will also grab the attraction of users. I can go to widgets from here also. Hover on website name, go to widgets. Now, if you want, you can add more widgets also. Maybe you can add the more pages here. So these are all the pages which we have on our web page. So this is how you can add widgets on your right sidebar. Now, same way you can add widgets on the footer also, but I do not want to have any widget on the footer. Say if you will add a widget on the footer, simply you can drag anything and visit this site. It will create another box in the footer. So I don't want to have any widget on the footer. I like it as it is. So again I will go to appearance and go to widgets and remove this widget from this footer. Now see what's left with our web page. Now as I have told you, we will customize this featured box. So to customize it, let's just right click it, do the inspect element. So you can see here CSS property for this box. It's article, class, featured, tags, div, class, featured, title, and this is featured content. So this is the featured text class, and these are the CSS property which are affecting it. So this box is placed right now on the right. The position is absolute. If I will make it left, and it will go in the left direction. If I want to give it a height, I will mention height and give it a height of say 75 pixels. This looks fine to me. Now the text is coming out of this box, so I can give a property overflow hidden. See now the text which was coming out of this box has been hidden. Let's copy this property. See these properties are only for this page only. When I will refresh, again we will have this featured box here. Just to track the properties which are affecting it, we have did the right click and done the inspect element. Then we have got the name of this element. This is featured content, and we have seen the CSS property which were affecting it. Now we will change this CSS property in our editor, or maybe in custom CSS. In the dashboard, inside appearance, in the theme option, here we have option other. Inside other we have custom CSS box. So we'll paste up this property. Now obviously we don't want all of this property for the 2 times. So let's have the properties just we have changed. This is the property I have changed. You can change other properties too. If you want to change the color from white to black or white to some other color, definitely you can. But right now I'm removing all of the properties which are already in the theme. Left 30px, height I want to have is 75 pixels, overflow is hidden. These are the property basically I'm changing. The text alignment is currently, you can see it's right side. We can also change the text alignment. So I can make it left I want. Now let's save all changes. Let's refresh our page. See now we have featured box on the left side. and height is also reduced now, and the alignment is left. Now it works well with my slider. Now one more thing guys, I want to hide this theme by color lib powered by WordPress. So simply again I will right click, go to inspect element. See, this is a div class copyright. Let's double click it. See the CSS property for this copyright. This is site generator dot copyright. So if I will have it, if I will add the property in this class copyright, if I will add the property display none. See here, now we don't have any copyright information. So again I will go to my custom CSS, go to other, inside custom CSS for this class copyright I will make a rule display none, then semicolon. Let's save all changes. Now when I will visit my site, see, I don't have any copyright information. So this is how you can do these things with just a little change of CSS property. Before leaving, I want you to know how you can change the URL address of your pages. See here we have URL address like page ID is equal to 13, page ID is equal to 18. This type of URL address is not recommended as it is difficult for search engine optimization to search your web page, and it is difficult for you to also remember this type of URL addresses. So we will go to our dashboard, go to settings, go to permalinks and change it to post name. Then save changes. Now notice guys, I'm on the local host. If you want to change your URL address on the local host, simply you have to go to Apache, inside Apache modules, scroll down, unless you find this rewrite module, just check on it, then it will allow you to change your URL address for local host also. Now when I will visit my site, see this URL addresses has been changed to the name of this pages. Quite clean and simple to remember also, and easy for search engine optimization also to search the web page. So this is done friends, and if you like this video of mine, do thumbs it up. Do not forget to subscribe me, and if you want to learn these subjects directly from me, do contact me. Have a good day. Bye bye.